Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Komal, and if you're new to this channel, I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Now, we all have that one single piece of clothing in our wardrobe that we really love, but we are bored of repeating the same look every time. No worries, here I am to take you through with me, and I'll show you how we can style a single basic black top into 6 to 7 different types. So if you're interested, please be with me and continue watching. You want to look and feel comfortable on such days. So all you can do is pair a black top with dungarees and relaxing sneakers. It is a summer day and you are working really hard the whole week. So take that movie day out look so that you are comfortable and classy when you step out. Now, you want comfortable look for college, but it has to be trendy. Pair your black top with any denim jeans and it should be difficult for anyone to take their eyes off you. Wear them with a pair of sneakers and a bag and you're all set for a perfect day in college. A shopping day can be very hectic and tiring, so you have to be very relaxed. Pair your black top with any palazzo, add on a pair of sneakers and a long side sling bag, and you are all ready to rule the universe. To feel the sky above our head and sand below our feet, let's move on to the beach look. All you have to do is get into any comfy shorts and black top to be seashore ready. You can make your look more cooler and comfy by adding sleepers and goggles to it. Life is too short to wear boring clothes to your workplace. Put on a black top along with a pair of good fitting formal pants. Pair it with a blazer to make things little more formal. Throw in a pair of black heels and bold red lips and be the boss lady with your work and style. It is finally a weekend after a long hectic week. It's time already to charm your day. Get into a skirt along with your black top with a golden girl with a pair of black comfortable heels and keep a long stay lipstick handy just in case. It is a classy look which will stand you out. And you're all set to rock the dance floor. Are you looking for desi look this wedding? We have a perfect look for you. Team your black top with a long skirt. This minimalistic design will help you keep things classy. You can pair it up with your favorite neck piece and a golden pumps and let them do the talking. And you're all set to be classy and comfy at the same time. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.